How to make fried chicken crispy outside and tender inside. How to make it not only look so attractive with golden yellow and artwork flakes, but also taste juicy. Follow us. Firstly, unfreezing. Soak chicken legs or wings in water for at least half an hour, with salt added in, which could speed up the unfreezing. When washing, squeeze the residual bloody water inside out along the bone. Drain off. Fish out. Set aside. Next, marinating. The ratio is 75 gram of marinade mix and to 100 gram of water for 1 kilogram chicken legs or wings. Attention please. Adding water in batches. 3 batches commonly. Mix 1/3 of water with seasoning well, and then chicken legs or wings. It would be seen that the liquid mixture is being absorbed little by little. When the mixture almost dry out, pour 1/3 of water in. Keep mixing. When dry again, pour the left water in. Keep mixing. When almost dry, pour all into a Tupperware container, and then cover up. Preserve in the refrigerator compartment at least for 3 hours. Next, coating. The usage is about 70 gram of fried chicken flour for 1 kilogram of chicken legs or wings from experience. If big quantity by machine, the use ratio would get higher. Hereby demonstrate the manual method. Heat up fryer with canola oil. Better with shortening. Set oil temperature at 160 Celsius degree. Pour fried chicken flour into a big container. Easy to operate. Attention please. Prepare a bowl of water with a drain basket. 2 steps for coating. Step 1. Pre-dust. To make a foundation improving the adhesion of subsequent coating flakes. Cover chicken legs or wings with flour. Press tightly by palm. Stir by fingers. To ensure the chicken skin fully in touch with the flour. May check out one by one, and make up those uncovered places hidden in the epidermal folds. Take out one by one, shaking or knocking off redundant dry powder. Lay them down neatly on the drain basket. Dip into water slowly and lift out in 5 seconds. Drain off carefully and pour them into flour. Step 2. Hanging strips on. Cover with flour. Press tightly by palm. Stir by fingers. Attention please. How do the fingers move in details? Once familiar, the strips could hang on in 1 minute. Do not rub the skin by fingers directly. Direct touch easily rub off the strips hanging on the base. If stirring by fingers correctly, there come abundant long thin strips. Meanwhile, may take one out and watch how it work. If dissatisfied, do it again, but once repeated several times, the final effect would get worse. Finally, deep frying. Shake or knock off the redundant dry powder at first. The strips not being hardened into flakes by deep fry easily fall off. Be careful. Drop into fryer carefully. The timing is about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, may lift up the drain basket and watch the color change. Once time is up, lift and take out. Dish up and serve hot.